Alrighty, I discovered something that might be able to help you guys. So let's say we're in the game. That's right. Ba 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 ba. Right, we're in the game, and you have, say, your character sheet. Pull up my characters. In this case, I'm going to pull up Kuvrum. So I've got Kuvrum up, and going to click back over to Roll20. I'm going to come up to the tab that has Kuvrum's information. Right click and click New Split View with Current Tab. And that puts both tabs on the same tab. So you can then monitor and you can actually resize it as well. So let's say you don't need that your character sheet to be that big. You can do this and resize it. And now you still have 70% map and 30% character sheet. Isn't that cool? I think that's cool as hell. And we can still use this stuff and we don't have to keep switching tabs. And then when you want to split it again, you just right click the tab and click separate views. And now it's back to so cool to me. Like, I just discovered this.